Hello everyone, my name is Prajwal. I am from PR Pote College of Engineering and Management. Today I am gonna show you a car price prediction project using machine learning. So before moving to the coding part, let's discuss about the process and how this model works. First, we have used some libraries and frameworks for this project. So first one is a Pandas, which is a data manipulation and analysis library. Second one is a NumPy, which does numerical calculations and work with arrays and numbers. And also we have used Matplotlib for plotting some graphs and data visualizations. Another popular library of the machine learning in Python is scikit-learn, which is used for creating machine learning models. So this is about the libraries and frameworks. Next, the very first step we have done is data cleaning. So data cleaning is a very must step to clean our data set. Maybe there is some ambiguity or there is some null values in your data set, so we have to do a data cleaning process. For this we have removed a non-numerical year values and some non-numerical price year columns from our dataset and clean it. So next is a data visualization. In data visualization we use Matplotlib to plot our graph and understand its distribution and patterns. So the next step is to prepare for data modeling. So we have assigned a X data frame to create name, company, year, kilometers driven, fuel for the car, and the Y series is to predict the price of the car. So we have split the data set into 80-20 training and testing ratio. The model we have used for this project is a regression model, which is a very popular model in machine learning. A regression model is a type of supervised machine learning model. Is used for predicting continuous numerical values. Means in our data set there are numerical values, and we have to also predict our price of the car in numerical. So we have used a linear regression model for this. So the next step is a very important model evaluation. So we have model evaluation we have done using R2-score. So R2-score is a coefficient of determination in machine learning, which is ranges from 0 to 1. That is, if our model is like a value like 0.9 or 1, then our model is guaranteed that 90 to 100% is predicted the data is correct. So this is all about the process. Let's jump to the coding part. First we have imported all the libraries and frameworks. The next we have read our dataset using pd.read function, which is provided by Pandas library. The dataset I downloaded is from Kaggle. And next we have cleaned our dataset. So this is the most important step for us to clean. According to our dataset, that is a number of columns and fields in our dataset, we have cleaned the dataset. Next we have plotted graphs using a Seaborn and Matplotlib. Graph makes easy for us to predict output. It visualizes us the prediction and how we are going. Next we have assign X data frame to car, name, company, year, kilometers driven, fuel type. It will test all the things, and for a prediction of a price we have assign a Y data frame, which will predict the price of the car. Next we have assign training and testing part. So we have split the dataset into 80 and 20 training ratio. That is, here you can see test size is 0.2. Next we have applied a linear regression model into our project using pipeline, and then for accuracy and correct output we have created a loop which will run thousands of times to train our data set and to check its performance using R2 score. Now R2 score is a very which is a coefficient of determination which gives us a value between 0 to 1 and predict a correctness of the output in the machine learning. So in the last step we have printed the array, that is we have given input Audi brand of the car, that is Audi, year, kilometers driven and fuel type of the car. Using this input, let's see the output of the project. Let's run it. You can see the graph is printed here. Let's wait for the output to be print. So here you can see, here is the output of the input that is we have given. So the price of the car is 17,16,253. It is the value predicted by our model. So this is all about the car price prediction project using machine learning. Thank you.